So continuing on the theme of our plant families that we've been exploring all through this program is now we come to the tomato family, the fancy family. And one of the things that I always love about this family is the colors that we see in it. The plant family, tomato family, has typically fruit in them, except for one, and that of course is our potatoes, because we eat the bottom and not the top. If you ate a potato fruit, you would be very, very sick. So we don't want to have any potato fruit in our garden at all. So once again, we need to emphasize that tomatoes are a fruit, and that is because the seeds are inside. So technically, we can really get our children going. A tomato is a berry because there's lots and lots of fruit of seeds in here. So in this family, we have our tomatoes. We also have tomatillos. We have our peppers with the seeds inside. And we have eggplant. And the one that's really weird for us is our potatoes, because we are eating the tubers. And for sure, you don't want to be eating the leaves of any of these, nor the fruit of the potato. So fruit of our eggplant, our peppers, our tomatoes, our tomatillos, our ground cherries, but nothing else.